Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere these days. It's writing emails, generating images, recommending videos, and even helping doctors diagnose diseases. But what exactly is happening? How does AI actually work? Imagine you're teaching a child to recognize a cat. You don't give them a scientific definition of a cat. Instead, you show them thousands of pictures and say, "This is a cat. This is also a cat." Over time, the child begins to notice patterns: pointy ears, whiskers, a tail, and certain facial features. AI learns in a surprisingly similar way. Instead of pictures alone, AI can be trained using enormous amounts of data: text, images, videos, sounds, or numbers. During training, the AI searches for patterns hidden within that data. It doesn't truly understand things the way humans do. It simply becomes very good at predicting what comes next based on what it has seen before. Take a chatbot as an example. It has been trained on massive amounts of text. When you ask a question, it isn't searching through a giant database of prepared answers. Instead, it's predicting the most likely sequence of words that should come next, one word at a time, at incredible speed. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Most modern AI systems are built using something called a neural network. It's just a mathematical system loosely inspired by the human brain. A neural network contains layers of artificial neurons that process information and pass it along. Think of it like a huge network of decision makers. One part might detect shapes, another part might recognize objects, and another part might combine that information into a final answer. During training, the AI continuously adjusts millions or even billions of internal settings called parameters. The largest AI models today can have hundreds of billions of these parameters. But how does AI improve? Every time it makes a mistake during training, it compares its prediction with the correct answer. Then it adjusts itself slightly to reduce future errors. This process is repeated millions or even billions of times until the AI becomes remarkably accurate. A good way to think about it is learning to throw a basketball into a hoop. If you miss, you adjust your aim. Miss again, adjust again. Eventually, you get better. AI learns through a similar process of constant correction. Of course, AI isn't magic. It doesn't possess consciousness, emotions, or self-awareness. It doesn't know that it's answering questions. It doesn't have opinions unless it has learned patterns that resemble opinions. At its core, AI is an extremely sophisticated prediction machine. And despite its impressive abilities, AI can still make mistakes. It can be biased if its training data contains biases. It can confidently give wrong answers. That's because AI learns from patterns, not from genuine understanding. What's fascinating is how quickly the technology is evolving. Just a few years ago, AI struggled with simple conversations. Today, it can write essays, generate realistic images, compose music, translate languages, and even help scientists discover new materials and medicines, and it just keeps getting better.